Today we're on the road in northeastern Alabama to look for a Civil War relic, once destroyed by General Sherman's troops after his order to burn Atlanta. Welcome to Cedar, Bluff, Alabama, and the historic Cornwall furnace. Iron was discovered near here on Dirt Cellar Mountain between 1850 and 1860. Enter the Noble brothers, James and Samuel. They decided that this location on the Coosa River was a good location for an iron furnace to melt the iron ore into pig iron, greatly needed by the Confederate government for various war materials, including cannons. The furnace was built by Confederate Army personnel and slave labor from limestone rocks that came from the hills surrounding the Coosa River. The blocks were floated downstream, then hauled by ox cart the rest of the way to this exact location. There are 3 openings in the furnace, one for draft, one for the fire, and the third for the outflow of molten iron. Some 150 men were needed to operate the furnace and worked in 12-hour shifts. Slaves beat the ore into little pieces of usable size with huge hammers. The life of the Cornwall furnace was short. General Sherman sent a faction of his Union Army westward into Alabama to destroy the furnace in 1864. It was damaged, but not totally destroyed. One interesting fact I found while researching the furnace was this: the first prohibition law in the nation was here in Cherokee County, Alabama, when in 1870, Thomas B. Cooper, manager of the Cornwall iron furnace, had the Alabama legislature pass a law prohibiting the sale of spirits and wine within 3 miles of his furnace. Thankfully, the Cherokee County, Alabama Historical Society preserved and restored the furnace, which had been hidden in jungle-like conditions for nearly a century. It was added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1972.